Stonking bass here for Brian. What the size of that thing? A sidewinder, pearl, 6 inch. Well done, Brian. Well done, mate. Yeah, that's it. Mark with the bass on. Angelos' dad with the bass on. Angelos with the bass. I'm just going to leave that. Bass there for John. CG, you got fish on it, eh? Yeah, follow the birds. Follow the birds, people.